Shane Bauer and their friend Josh Fatah after allegedly hiking across the border into Iran from Iraq. Ford was released on humanitarian grounds. Bauer and Fatah remain in a notorious Iranian prison. Last week, NBC's Andrea Mitchell asked the Iranian president what evidence exists.
I think we should do it.
The freed American hiker has maintained the trio never intended to cross into Iran and says she has guarded it. Very much on her mind.
Weeks of heavy rain have flooded villages in northern Authorities are rescue stranded people and deliver food to those who live in isolated communities. Relief camps season has caused severe flooding in many parts of India. A river flowing near the Slovenian capital has suddenly disappeared. The Iska River was flowing just on Tuesday, but by Wednesday it was gone. Residents say they heard crashing sounds in the night. When they went to the river, it was dry. Limestone River is now flowing underground. The flood happened before World War II. It is not clear whether if the water will resurface. Well, Erin Henn joins us now with a look at our long-range weekend weather forecast.
Thank you, Jane. Yeah, interesting about that river. It is fascinating. Yeah, like that, and those little fishies there. If I could make the rain go away for some areas in Vancouver Island and the central and north coast, wow, what a power that would be. I wish I could.
Hey, get away from the camera.
Quite a few areas in BC the last couple of days. If you like the rain, then you're loving it.
Are you banging?
The next case to maybe cuddle up indoors, perhaps. Right now in Vancouver, we have cloudy skies, a few sunny breaks. Hopefully, as we head through the afternoon,
Something a little
before
quieter.
the rain comes here.